Hello, welcome to our review of the Waldhotel Forellenhof. This is just outside of Baden-Baden, Germany. It's a wonderful little kind of alpine hiking hotel location. As far as our view, had a wonderful stay here. We're going to go through some of the benefits of it. We'll talk about a few things that maybe could be improved, just to provide that overall review. Going into the benefits, a very good value for the money. Very nice accommodations here. We've got a wonderful view. We're out of town a little bit, so that provides for a nice quiet stay. This is excellent access to hiking trails. We're on a larger hiking trail system right out the back door, 30 steps and you're on the trail. Now the room is nicely furnished, very good bed, very clean bathrooms, overall very nice stay. The excellent things that they did here, they have excellent Wi-Fi as well as just a truly excellent breakfast, buffet style German morning breakfast, very nice courteous staff, provide for an excellent experience. A couple of things that could be improved. I know we benefited the location, but there's also some cons to that. Being a little bit further out of town, it can be harder to get back in if you're looking for nightlife. So just keep that in mind when you're booking your stay, what you're looking for. And then another minor issue, depending on the time of vacation travel, we're probably in a little bit of the lower period right now. So the building does have a little bit of a late cabiny smell. Keep in mind this is a several hundred-year-old building. Can get that if all the windows aren't open or there's not a lot of people coming or going. But just be prepared for that. The rooms are very nice, however, the older section of the building can have a little bit of that. Again, excellent value for the money, very courteous staff. We would definitely stay here again, so tune in for more of our reviews.